What's up, y'all? This is Mr. Washington, and this is the Peaceful Schools Hip Hop class. Today, for our activity, we're going to be making pencil beats. All you need is 2 pencils and a hard surface. Let's go. Our Peaceful Schools word for today is choices, an act of selecting or making a decision when faced with 2 or more possibilities. What decisions do we have to make every day? We have to choose to wake up and do our homework instead of playing video games. We have to choose to be respectful and kind to our friends and family. We have to choose to eat healthy and take care of ourselves, like eating our fruits and vegetables and drinking water. Every day, we're faced with the possibilities of making the wrong or right choices. Mr. Washington believes in you guys and know that you're capable of making these right choices. Okay, on to our activity today. So, what you need is your 2 pencils. Okay, you're gonna grab them, put them in each hand. All right, the first step to this is the ticking. So, what you want to do is take the edge of your pencils and tap like that. Okay. Any tempo you want to do, or how fast or slow you need to start it. This is a good, comfortable tempo for Mr. Washington. The second step is the slap. All right, you're gonna put the pencil down on the table. It's gonna make a slapping sound. You're gonna do this while you're tapping. So we can do the first step and the second step together. Here we go. All right, slapping is the second step. The third step, you're going to use one hand to do the slap and the thump at the same time. So the thumb, you're going to use the bottom part of your palm to hit the table, like that right there, and slap. So here we go. All right, so you put all 3 steps together and you can make a beat. So here we go. We're gonna try it on 1, 2, 3, go. Now that you've practiced and you got all 3 steps down, now you can experiment and try to go faster or slower, or add beats to it, or take beats out. Just have fun with it. All right, here we go. Mr. Washington's gonna have some fun with it. Remember, guys, every day we have choices to make. We can either do the right thing or the wrong thing. I believe in you guys. I know you're gonna make the right choices. Have fun with this. Teach your little brother and sister how to make pencil beats, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.